Hollywood Studios day, and we are all a little tired today because it was daylight savings time last night. So time changed and we lost an hour, but we're still determined to rope drop this morning. So we're gonna see if we can make it. Oh, like you saw that too?
Somebody didn't reset the timer for daylight savings time.
What is it that they say in Pirates? If you fall behind, stays behind or something? Hey, Daddy. What's that Pirates of the Caribbean quote? The Pirates code, if you fall behind, you stay behind or something?
We are.
It is a beautiful morning in Hollywood Studios.
And our family's typical drama.
Right. So here's kind of our general plan today. We are here for early entry and headed straight to Galaxy's Edge. We're going to do Smuggler's Run first, and then we have breakfast at Woody's Lunchbox, which I already mobile ordered while we were in the car on the way here, and then Toy Story. So some Slinky Dog Dash, some Toy Story Mania, and then Zachary's favorite, Aliens Whirling Saucers. And then we're just going to see where the rest of the day takes us. Zachary wants to do Indiana Jones. I would like to do Frozen. So yeah, we're just gonna see what we end up doing.
Afraid of heights? Whoa!
It will never amaze me, Zachary, just exactly how empty it is here first thing in the morning. It is so empty. Okay.
What? I don't. Oh, unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flying professionals.
Greatly helped the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad.
I got it!
So there's no wait time showing online, so we're hoping it's short. We're gonna find out.
Hang on!
Hang on! Wait!
Here we go!
Mel and I just had a great time on Smuggler's Run, not Smuggler's Run, Slinky Dog Dash. And then we stayed a quick breakfast at Woody's Lunchbox. And now they're in the bathroom, of course. And then we're gonna hit up Toy Story Mania and Aliens Whirling Saucers again. Having fun? Yeah? So tell me again why you like Monopoly better.
Strategy, skill, chance.
Yeah? More than Candyland because it's just chance?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hear ya. Now, who's gonna win when we play Toy Story Mania? Me.
You.
Haha. You got that right.
Even if I win, then I would just count it that you won.
Okay, so our car wins. I got higher accuracy. I am darn proud of that. Look at that. That's me. Here they are.
Hang on!
You're all only 9.
Here we go!
I don't think so. Here they go. This is my favorite part. Yep, that's my favorite part. Zachary, what are we doing next?
Billy's rolling sausage with Daddy and Melanie.
Your favorite ride? Yeah.
Wait, the car right behind us is the exact same as ours.
Isn't that funny? People always ask if we do new things every time we go, and today we are. I'm gonna finally see Frozen. I've never seen it, so I'm really excited.
Oh, it's special because, well, for the first time in forever, Elsa and I will be celebrating the Arendelle Festival! Yeah, that never really works.
Yeah, no.
Oh my. What are we going to do? It's almost an
Anna.
Arendelle Festival and Elsa's missing.
Anna.
And everyone's
Anna.
already here.
Anna.
It's almost as bad as that blizzard. Almost.
Anna.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, don't worry. We've got this.
Okay.
You go find your sister and we can share the history of Arendelle.
Yeah, we'll get everyone to sing all the royal anthems, right? Yeah!
I'm dreaming.
Oh,
Prince Hans of the Southern Isles.
who? Ah?
He is my boo. And even when I'm with my boo, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, don't you know I'm crazy over you?
Let go. Let go.
You need to let that go.
You need to let that go.
I can't help it. Let's move on. Anyways, Princess Anna, feeling like the whole mess was all her fault.
Which it was.
Started to make a long, cold journey to the North Mountain.
But she did. That's right, yeah, she made it all the way to the top of the North Mountain with no help from anyone at once because they're adults. And that's what adults do when they have a disagreement.
It's Krista!
Hi! How are you? Let me take you. Oh my gosh.
That's
You do not miss the
not
workout.
necessary.
Go ahead and tell your trainer I said thank you. Maybe the snow softens their fall.
We learned that Olaf has no skull and no bones.
I don't have a skull
Say more words.
or bones.
Anna's hair starts to turn white, so Christoph takes her to see the love experts.
Anna's getting colder by the moment, and as Poppy says,
Only an act of true love can thaw a frozen heart.
Oh, that gets me every time. So they race back to Arendelle to find Hans so he can melt Anna's heart with a true love's
no one
kiss.
loves you.
Hans is the bad guy?
He leaves Anna in a cold room to freeze to death just to take over the kingdom.
Hans is the bad guy.
Did you speak to Arendelle History 101?
How dare you? Earth melting for the end. Thank you.
Christoph, what's happening?
Well, it's getting cold in here, so that can only mean one thing.
Oh, I hope so. Then we can really celebrate the Arendelle Festival. Elsa! I'm so glad you're here. I wonder the wind and sky. Let it go, here into the
Zachary, does that make you a happy boy? Yeah. Just a boy in his Mickey bar. We are back in our resort. We had a great morning in Hollywood Studios. Got a lot done. We got there about 7:30ish, left around 12:30ish, and rode Slinky Dog twice, rode Aliens Rolling Saucers twice, Toy Story Mania, Smuggler's Run, saw Indiana Jones, saw Frozen, Toy Story Mania. Did I say that already? Yeah. So anyway, great productive morning. Thank you for following along. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see y'all next time. Bye.